Sosman Official Channel. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English with Sosman Official Channel. Learn English through story. Ku baro Englishka sheeko. The story is about the doll. Sheekadu waxa ay ku saabsan tahay bombalaha. Part 1, qaybta koowaad. Mr. Brown lived wuxuu ku noolaa near meel u dhow the center of town, magaalada bartamaheeda. But his small house, laakiin gurigiisa yar, had a garden, beer ayuu ku lahaa. Mr. Brown liked his garden, beertiisa waa uu jeclaa. Very much, aad buu u jeclaa. It had a lot of flowers, waxa ay lahayd ubaxyo badan, and they were pretty, waana ay qurux badnaayeen summer, xilliga xagaaga. Red, midabka casaanka ah, blue, midabka buluuga ah, and yellow iyo jaalle. Mr. Brown liked waxa uu jeclaan jiray sitting inuu fadhiisto there halkaa in the evening, fiidkii ama maqribkii, and at weekends iyo dhammaadka fasaxa ama maalmaha fasaxa. But he had to work too. Laakiin xitaa waxa waajib ku ahayd in uu shaqeeyo, sidoo kale uu shaqeey jiray. Mr. Brown worked in an office, waxa uu ka shaqeey jiray xafiis. It wasn't near his house. Xafiiska uma u dhoweyn gurigiisa. So he often went to work. Wuxuu badanaa u aadi jiray shaqada on the baska. He came home on the bus too. Sidoo kale wuxuu guriga ku imaan jiray bus. Mr. Brown was a lonely man. Wuxuu ahaa nin cidla ah ama keligii ah. He did not have many friends. Ma uusan lahayn saaxiibo badan. And he did not talk to the people. And he didn't talk to many people. Dad badan ma uusan la hadli jirin. And so ha yeeshee, he was sad. Waa uu murugaysnaa, and often bored. Badanaane waa uu caajisi jiray. One very hot day, hal maalinoo aad u kulul, Mr. Brown walked home. Waxa uu ka soo lugeeyay guriga. He did not want, ma uusan doonayn, to go on the bus, inuu baska ku baxo that day, maalintaas, ama inuu raaco. Improve your pronunciation. Improve your pronunciation. Learn English through a story. The doll, part 1. Mr. Brown lived near the center of town, but his small house had a garden. Mr. Brown liked his garden very much. It had a lot of flowers, and they were pretty in summer, red, blue, and yellow. Mr. Brown liked sitting there in the evening and at weekends, but he had to work too. Mr. Brown worked in an office. It wasn't near his house, so he often went to work on the bus. He came home on the bus too. Mr. Brown was a lonely man. He did not have many friends, and he didn't talk to many people. And so he was sad and often bored. One very hot day, Mr. Brown walked home. He did not want to go on the bus that day.
ألف لو كنا بي ألف لو سنا بي ألف لا قذي